Hey, I'm Matt, and today we'll be unboxing the AstroAI Smart Portable Air Pump. Inside, there's an inflator and its accessories. This cordless pump rapidly inflates tons of inflatables anywhere you are, thanks to its built-in battery and big digital display. So check out this sticker on the front. It's got a breakdown of the screen and buttons to get you started right away. From top to bottom, we've got units of pressure, a big pressure readout, some different modes to select from sports balls to motorcycles, or your personal custom mode on the far right here. These battery level indicators are helpful as well as the smaller set of numbers that show your preset pressure. The buttons look pretty easy to navigate. There's the function switch on top, the on-off in the middle, pressure adjustments on the sides, and a flashlight toggle on the bottom. Now, going over some helpful features, there's an LED flashlight on top of the pump, with a USB charger for other devices, and a Type-C port for recharging the pump's battery. On its back, the air hose is tucked away, but easily pulls out. Underneath, I can see that there's a plug for the included 12-volt cable. I like the convenience of a battery, but this would be really handy if I forgot to charge it. Now let's break open the accessory box. There's that 12-volt cable, a cloth storage bag, charging cable, an extra fuse, and some nozzles and adapters for whatever you need to inflate. All right, now that we're unpacked, let's go see how this works. This AstroAI pump can fill a basketball or a bicycle tire, but it's designed for auto tires. Whether you're filling up a flat or just making a quick adjustment before a trip, this is how it's done. First, you're gonna get out your air pump and pull out the hose. Press and hold the M button to power it on. Then set the pressure to your desired level. After that, attach the air hose to the tire and press the M button again to start inflating. During inflation, there are two values displayed on the screen: the real-time pressure and the preset value. Once your set pressure is reached, the pump automatically shuts off. Got a low battery? No worries. You can use that DC power cord from earlier to keep inflating. Just plug the cable into your car's cigarette lighter and then into the port on the bottom of the pump. And now that you're back online, press and hold the M button again to restart the device. For safety reasons, the air pump automatically shuts off when switching between power modes. But don't worry, it'll work the same regardless of how it's powered. If you've got the AstroAI Smart Portable Tire Pump handy, you're set to inflate anywhere, anytime. Ride with peace of mind and join AstroAI on all of life's adventures.